Welcome. Previously, we talked about what happens when we have 1 point and 2 point. Today, we're going to talk about what happens when we have 3 points. You see these 3 points we just put here, if we connect them, we can have 2 lines and 3 lines, right? Okay? And you might want to say, oh, let's go to the triangle, but that's our future lesson. And remember, we're still in the kingdom called a non-dimensional kingdom. So anytime when we have 3 points, they're not on the same line. We call it non-collinear. Co is together. Linear is line. They're not on the same line. Anytime when they're not on the same line, we can have a plane. I'm going to erase this one. And let's name these points so we can name a plane. I'm going to say this point is CAT. So I have a plane CAT. Remember, plane does not have length and width and depth. It's totally in a different dimensional world. And here, just imagine it's like a giant piece of paper. Even that is not a real plane because paper also have its thickness, right? So you have to make it a super thin and totally no thickness, and let it go infinitely big. Go. So that's the plane. All right. Now, if you have some better idea, better example you want to share with me and put it in the comment section, I really appreciate that. We name our plane as a CAT, really cute. And we can also name our plane as a plane Q. Simply say this is a plane Q. So basic idea is you just grab any 3 points, non-collinear points, you can name it. You also say, if any time I have 3 non-collinear points, I will have a plane. All right? Okay, so that's what the concept is and how we name it. Now, we're going to have a line lies in the plane, so we just simply connect it. Okay, so we talk about the line, we just add the arrow here. Okay, how about we have a line cut through? Okay, I'm going to let it cut through past the T, and dot means I don't see, and keep going. I'm going to try another one and cut right here, and dot. Okay, dotted line means we don't see it, but it is there. So I'm going to call my green line line G, lowercase cursive. I'm going to say line G intersected. Let's write down this word, intersect, plane Q. So line G, intersect the plane Q. At what point? At a point, I'm going to call it point O. I'm going to erase the part we don't need so you can see better here. This is situation, line G intersected plane Q at point O. All right, let's draw another situation. I'm going to put down here, I have a plane here, and I call it a plane A, and I'm going to have a line that is parallel to this plane. I'm going to call this line W, lowercase w. Of course, you can take 2 points. You can call line AB, line CD. All right? Okay. How about this side? And how about here? How about below it? So just keep playing with this idea. This is going to be fun. Use your color pencil, color coded, use the ruler to make it looking really good. All right. Enjoy your geometry sketching.